Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Here on the channel I'm joined by one more block here. We made this
Hello.
giant monstrosity to get, well, it's not really giant, but it's a bit complicated.
It's pretty compact.
And it's very compact, all thanks to him. Yeah, so this is a very efficient piglin barter system that gives 85,000 items per hour, around that much, and gives more than 1,000 items per minute, which is wow. I mean,
Yeah, that's really good.
and just
Assuming you have a gold farm, yeah,
this is,
you're
yeah,
set.
assuming you have the gold farm, yeah. And just a warning, this storage system is not big enough, and you'll have to make it bigger for all the item to like get into the storage. And we made this cactus for the overflow actually. And yeah, I'll be making a tutorial here on my channel, and visit one more blog's channel for the explanation on how this thing
explanation
all works.
of the stuff. And if you also want to see it running, then
Yeah. For the running of the
running
system,
as well. But
make sure to visit his channel. Right, let's get started to the tutorial. Needing 96 block of choice. I recommend you choose glass, but yeah. 89 hoppers plus the sorting system, 84 chests plus the storage system. You need at least 2 chests if you're gonna make your own storage system. Just like 3 chests should be enough. 40 redstone dust. Again, the glass and the stone. We just use this because yeah, the glass makes it much better. 18 comparators, packed ice 17. This is for our sorting system. Repeater 16. Most of the comparators we use for the sorting system. 16 repeaters, 14 brick stairs. Again, for the sorting system. 13 torches. 7 glazed terracotta. You can use any color, I do believe. 7 sticky pistons. 6 observer. 4 powered rail. 3 target blocks. 2 blocks of redstone, 2 droppers, 2 note blocks, 2 slime blocks, 2 stone slab, 1 cactus, 1 lava, 1 sand, and 1 white carpet. The cactus, the slab, one of the slab, and the sand is just used for overloading. You see, some of the items are like overloaded, like yeah, and they just land over to this cactus. So if I just throw something in here, it'll just eventually like die in a way. Just look, it'll just disappear. No, not there. There. Yeah, see? It just disappears. I'm gonna show you again. Oh no, I didn't angle it right, but yeah, so let's just break that. So when you throw these items into the cactus, the item will despawn, maybe? I think that's correct word, but okay. Right. So yeah, I made this with 1 block. 1 more block. 907. He's a friend of mine, and I made like the base system for it. Introduced the ideas of piglins, and just made like the bigger version, and then he compacted into this design right here. So yeah, it's, to be honest, it's worth it for 85,000 items per hour, literally, which is about 14,000 items per 10 minutes, and 1,400 items per minute, which is ridiculously strong. I made this extension system just for me to put the gold ingots, but to get it started, because this is quite complex, I'm just gonna build it maybe right here. Load schematics, because it is a lot, and I've done quite some. Right, so this is the schematic for it. It's not very hard. So first off, we're gonna start building. You can put like You can put this like literally on the ground and just fire. That's like to a hopper. You don't need to build this massive storage system, but I did because yeah, and I don't even end up using it. We built this on a server where I actually use it, but for this one, I mean, why a sorting system? Yeah, I'm gonna start. So first off, I usually start from the very corner. You place a block. This will be like your sorting block, and then you just kind of advance from it. I usually advance towards this direction. So put another block there, another, and another one there. Now, above those 3 blocks, you put 3 repeaters, both in 4 ticks, and on the first block that you placed, you do that. And don't worry, the thing will change later on. And so you'll be needing to do something like this. No, the other way. Sorry. Do something like this and that. Good, 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 good. Next up, we're gonna start to get into the middle here. Just from the observer here, you place another observer. This way. Sorry. I'm not used to with observer. I always think that they work the other way. Right, so you will have 2 observers, dust, and 3 repeaters. Now you'll be needing some block and just place sticky piston that the 3 repeaters was pointing into. Right. This is some of the part now. You need to place some of these. Yeah, okay. Don't worry, it doesn't matter if you place it the wrong way, but yeah. And this observer right here should go like through this minecart thing. Whoops. Good. And now you need to activate lever. So you from the rail here, you place another block underneath and just do the same as the schematic and fire the lever, that is the off button, and place a torch above this. Right, this is the clock that is pushing the pistons down there. So that is the clock up here that is pushing this sign block and this one. Oh, for the mod, I have carpet mod on me. I also have Optifine, Optifabric actually. I use fabric loader. I have this MiniHUD, which is very useful to spawn proof if you make another farm. And I have the Litematica for these kind of schematics, right? And diagonally from the lever, the block on the lever, you place another block and do that again. You'll have this kind of staircase, and above it you put a redstone dust, and you'll have to place another block diagonally from this side, 3 blocks, and from the torch here another 3 blocks. You need to put another one diagonally, right, and then you put a dust right here like that, and a target block diagonally from there, and you'll need 2 comparators facing that way into a block which is leading into a target block, a dust there, 3 comparators. Good. Whoops. And you make sure you put it into this mode right here, this one. Alright, so it must be on east none, north none, south none, west none. Yeah, you see that on the pardon, F3 screen targeted block. It must not like it must not point into any directions. If not, it'll lock this hopper, which will disrupt the system for the piglins to throw things, right? After that, you need a sticky piston going down. Right there. Good. Put a redstone block right here. Good. Good, good, good. Very, very good. This is quite complicated, I know. Whoops, sorry. Do that. Alright, good. So you've got one of the first sections of the build. Might be confusing, I know, but don't worry. And to build this in survival, to be honest, it's very challenging. Oops, very, very challenging. You must put 2 observers facing that way. Whoops. And I believe another 2 observer next to it facing up there. No, 1 observer. Yeah, I mean 2. Like that. So if we just break this, yeah, there should be another observer facing this way. Now we can just put this again. Good. If you're not using the thing, it'll be much clearer and much better. But for me, I'm using it, so yeah. And you'll be needing to place a redstone torch here from the target block, facing into the direction where the thing will be, which is I don't know how to explain, but yeah, you get it. Put a block above the torch there, and you'll be needing a block there. This is starting. I'm just starting the clock right away right now. Oops, not like that. Okay. No, not like that. I'm just starting the thing. Good. Place a block there. Place a thing there. If I just could. Good. Place a block there. Place a block there. Place a block there. And just follow this. You can contact me on Discord, make a server maybe, or you can just private chat me if you want the thing. Whoops, okay, I need to shift. No, I can't do that, meaning that I'll have to use. No, okay, good. Good, just do something like that. And you'll be needing this carpet, by the way, later on. So this is also quite tough to place, so I suggest you do it early on. Oops, not that. And just do the glass because it's gonna be hard if you don't do it now. Oh, and the hoppers, no, the droppers as well. Alright, good. And now the question is, triggered false, and is this triggered? Trigger force facing the side. What's wrong with the one I've got here? I wonder. Yeah, I just can't seem to remove any of the piglins, but it doesn't really matter. So okay, it's facing the right way. Okay, checking again here. You can. I'm gonna give you a moment so you can pause here to take a look if you've done anything right. I'll move into another angle right here, and okay, I hope you have done everything right, because the next few parts are just gonna get confusing. You must place the glass. I mean, it doesn't really have to place this way, but it's suggested that it is placed this way. Oops, no, 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 I want to be inside there. You can, if you're in survival, you can just build this from underneath. Good. Alright. Now back to this part right here. break the stone block there, if you have any there. Place 2 blocks like that. Yeah, it's like facing a smiley face. Put a dust on top of there. Good. So the dust will eventually power the thing here. Place another 3, something like that. Yeah. It doesn't matter again if you place the direction of the thing wrong, but okay. It is quite annoying if you're using Litematica like me. Now we're gonna continue the clock. Get some stone. Place it like that. Place another one like that. We're gonna do it from down here. Good. Get a hopper, and if I just could just put that there. Whoops. Yeah, just for me, dude. Guys, do something. Oh, come on. I thought I have placed the stone there and the comparator, but okay. Do something like that. Good. I recommend you only putting 8 items there. So this 8 stone is suggested, like only 8 items. Right now, we've got to get the piglins in here, and you've only got to get the adults in. You may not put any children piglin in there. Come on, have I placed it correctly? I'm just gonna wait. Oh no, I think I might not have placed it correctly. I think I have placed it correctly. Okay. I think you only need to put the piglins. Oops, there's the comparator that we broke earlier. Oh, and this part, yep, I kind of forgot. I mean, you can always search for the mistakes even after you build it, so there's no really need to rush, I guess. The other way, I think. No. Right. It's safe because it doesn't have any flying machines, so you can just go ahead and put the 8 items there. And in theory there should be nothing more. Yeah, for this reason, I don't know why. Facing south. Is it also facing south? This one? Yeah, it's facing south as well, so I don't know why it's that thing. Why is the... Oh, it's at note 0. You know what, I don't mind. But, wait, what? Note 0? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I don't know why, but okay. Now, this system is pretty much done, the main system. You'll just fire your things over here. And to align it, you need to have ice. Just put them over here, and 2 chests like that. And that is pretty much done. Just to align it. If you want to put it into a storage system or what, you can always just destroy this mechanism and just go ahead and put tons of hoppers. Now, we need to put a ton of ingot in, but before that we need a ton of piglins. One trick that I've got for this one, alright, so for maximum efficiency you need exactly 24 piglins, no less, no more, because if there are more they'll all die. Right, so I suggest using trapdoors if you're in survival. Yeah, so if you just do that and rename it, let's say anvil name tag. Let's just do that right now. Name tag, let's just say piglin. Right, So you name tag it, do this, and it'll fall right down there. So I'll just be doing this, and I'll see you guys when I have 24 piglins. See, right. And as you can see here, I've put, oh dear, this is loud. I've put, I believe 24 piglins here. One of them is a kid, so don't do that. And I didn't name all of them because I already have another one there. If you don't name all of them, they'll despawn. But yeah, since I'm in creative, this is my redstone testing world, and you'll be needing to cover the thing with glass. If you can't do it, you can always use pistons. Whoops, that is quite right. So let's just put something like that, and can we, yeah, okay, we can destroy this. So this was my piglin station thing. Alright, can do that, and it does the trick. Now what's left of what we can do is to make the storage system, but first I'm gonna show you if it works or not. It should work in theory. Now, okay, just right, I must have misplaced an observer. All these were all running. Alright, good. So 2 observer there and a block there. 2 observer there and not a block, a dust there, no, a block there. Yep. Remember, you must do this there. Right. Yeah, I haven't put any block here. If I believe I can do it, yeah. In theory, it should work. Yeah. But only gave 1 item instead of many. And there was a lag spike, which is bad. Alright. Yeah, I haven't put an observer there because the Litematica thing, which means I'll have to placement off. Good. Right. You see, if we do that now, I'll bet later on I'll show you like a simpler design. Should work now. Yeah. Good. Seems to work. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Now we're just pushing them to nowhere, but we can build a big storage system like this. There, like that. I mean, 3 chests won't be enough, but it's just for now. Because, I mean, storage system, if you wanna build something like that, it's okay. But why? I mean, it's just, yeah, it'll be much sorted, but I'm not that guy who likes sorting system that much. So yeah. So you put 3 eyes there, and make sure you have the thing, the item broken system here. So yeah, the resources that I showed you earlier was not like 100% exact because it varies with how you make it. I suggest you use a slab because it looks much prettier, and we'll be needing some hoppers. Yeah, and occasionally some items do end up here, but I mean, it's not that big of a deal. In theory, if you have like put all of this the glass correctly, it should be no problem. But yeah, we'll be needing a hopper. This tutorial is for Minecraft 1.16, so it works now. And we'll be needing some stairs like this one. I mean, it is recommended to use stair, but I believe you can use slabs, but I'm not too sure about it. That's just why I didn't use slabs. Alright, so we do this, like this, and in theory, oh no, alright, you know what, we can do that, can do that, and we can do this. In theory, should work. No, but the thing is there. Oh no, I messed up making the thing. Oh. So make sure you do not mess up like I did. Oh no, it means I'll have to do this all over again, which isn't fun at all. So I'll see you guys when I have done the storage system. Right, so if I believe I have destroyed all of this, we just need to put all the things again right here, I believe. Yeah, I think there's the location. You know what, I'm just gonna do magma cube. Oh no. We can always extend the chest system later on. Let's do that, so it becomes less noisy. Oops. And by the way, for all the mods that I use to make this, I'm gonna link them all in the description later on, so you guys can use it as well, like Litematica, which is absolutely useful. So in theory, the item should be going down here. This chest here. Yeah, see, it does work. It does work. But you'll be needing like a big storage system if you want like all the items to be collected. I mean, this is just like it's not really like fancy with sorting systems and anything, but yeah, I mean, this is a lot of resources. So if we just destroy, remember we've destroyed, and we'll just see like one round of this. In theory, there should be no gold. Yep, that's a lot of items. This gives about 1,000. It gives about 1,400 items per minute, which is crazy. Wow, I'm just proud of this farm. One more block enemy made this, and yeah. So this is the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see ya next time. Bye bye.